On another one, 2008, 10,000 hours, 900 bucks so far. But they keep adding time. That's how this kind of goes. Every time there's a new bid, they add some more time. And kind of BS-y if you ask me. I'm not impressed with that, but it is the way it is. I'd like to bid on a few different ones at one time, but I don't want to get stuck with 2 or 3 of these darn things. So yeah, so we're just waiting and seeing. I'll let you know. Well, let's see if we can catch this on film. Going 3 times. Uh-oh, looks like I might have bought her. 1,100 bucks. Light plant, 2014. Yeah, I guess I bought that one. So, proud owner of a gen set now. Hey guys, so here's our purchase from Edmonton. It's a light plant. Inside the light plant, it's 8.5 kilowatt generator. So obviously I just bought the light plant for the generator. That's going to be the generator for the bus. The reason I'm kind of filming here today and wanting to show you, I kind of wanted to show you just the tie down technique that we used to get it home. We have to go about 60 miles or 100 kilometers. And we just put a choker loop around the neck. I only brought 2 chains with me, so I chained it 4 places with only 2 chains. Choker loop around the neck at the rear, and also we choker looped it here as well. So in doing a choker loop, what it does is it allows us to use only 2 chains and still keep the product or the item tight on the trailer. And you can see here we've ran our chains backwards, and on the front we've ran our chains frontwards, or forwards, excuse me. And the reason for that is we want to tie forward and we want to tie back. The reason we're tying in 2 opposite directions is so that it can't move forward, can't go backwards, can't go side to side. We also have a tower up here that I've just kind of locked down with another strap. So I've just put a regular strap on it just to make sure the tower doesn't lift up or move around. That gives us additional support as well. But yeah, that's the reason. That's what we did. We choked it there. We brought it forward, choked it at the back, and brought it backwards. Here's the actual generator. So you can see it's a 3-cylinder Kubota, 120, 220 volt generator on the back, and we have a 220 access, main breakers, 120 volt. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. We'll glow plug it first, and what you're hearing is a fuel pump. So they've got an electronic fuel pump in there just to make sure it'll fill with fuel. We'll see how it runs. This is what's going to generate the bus. Hey guys, just unloading my power plant generator. I've already taken the top off. It's laying over there. Hard to do by yourself. But this is kind of how I get things done by myself around here. I don't have a lift, I don't have a forklift, I don't have a loader. So I've got a safety chain here in case something happens and it runs away on me, it doesn't hit the house. Using my come along and tilt trailer. The deck does tilt, so we have it tilted up as much as we can. And we're just kind of rolling it downhill slowly. That's how you do it. Off the trailer, let's see if the quad will move it into the garage now. Check back with you later. Back at the generator, I guess now. Getting close to pulling it out, but yeah, that's what she looks like, a little tiny baby 3-cylinder Kubota. It's a cute little thing. So we're gonna install that, and that's gonna be our main generator. Hey guys, well today's cleaning generator bay. So this is where the generator is going to sit. I got my trusty helper out here helping me along. I'm going to degrease it first, and then I'm going to hit it with the pressure washer. So I'll let you see what it looks like after we're done. But that's what it looks like. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not, but that motor's ready to come out now. So I'm going to get a crane tonight from a buddy, pull that motor, get ready to install it. I'm kind of cannibalizing the whole light plant, so this is the lid. What I'm going to do is I'm putting that down. I'm going to cut it 23 by 52. I'm going to cut it so that it fits into the hole that I want it to fit into, and then I'm going to be using the back piece. So I'm going to be using all of the pieces, I guess, less the trailer frame. So once I'm left with the trailer frame, I'll sell it, give it away, do something. I might not have use for that tank either. I'm not 100% sure, but here goes. So I'm going to cut all the parts and pieces and then get them ready to install, and I'm going to be welding them in. So I'll show you. Hey there. I guess I haven't been filming too much here, but I've been really concentrating on trying to get this engine in and mounted, and motor mounts tightened up and down and whatnot. So hard to film and hard to install a motor and move a motor and do all that kind of stuff when you're doing it by yourself. So that's kind of why I haven't been helping. But here's the motor, here's the hole, it's got to go there. That's the motor, it's got to go in the hole. And I'm going to work on getting it in the hole and talk to you later. Well, boys, she's a beautiful thing. She's in there. All the original bolts, everything fits. So now it's just a matter of welding the plate down, flanging it up, and getting her running. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have it running in here, but this is going to be my main source of power here for a little while.